Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase the virtual RAM on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, to do this, just go to your search bar and search for Advanced System Settings, and from the best matches, just open that up. And from here, just go inside Advanced tab and make sure you're under Performance and click on Settings from here. Then go to Advanced tab once again. From here, you'll find Virtual Memory. Just click on Change. Make sure to uncheck this. And from here, just select custom size. Now, before setting the values, go to your calculator. Just open up your calculator, and in here, just put the amount of RAM you have. If you don't know how to check that, just right click on your taskbar. And from here, click on Task Manager. Go to Performance. Here, you can see how much memory you have. As you can see, I currently have 16 GB. Check how much you have. Then just put it in calculator and multiply that by 1024. That's how many megabytes of RAM you have. And now multiply this 1.5 and put it in here. Whatever comes after multiplying 1.5, put it in here. Just put it here and then do this again. How much RAM you have, just put it here. Multiply that with 1024. It's gonna convert it to megabytes. Then multiply it with 3 this time. And then put it here. 49152. And click on OK. Then just click on Apply, click on OK again. Then you just go ahead and restart your computer and your virtual memory should be increased. And basically that is how to increase your virtual memory on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe